Two important theorems of chapter number 10, circles. This kind of question may come in section C for 3 marks. Prove that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. We will draw a circle, we will draw a tangent, and we will draw radius of this circle. This is the center O and this is the point of contact P, and we have to prove that this OP is perpendicular to this tangent whose name is AB. Given is AB is tangent of the circle with the point of contact is P, and to prove is OP is perpendicular to AB. In proof, first of all, we have to assume that let take a point Q on AB other than P. So what I wrote here is take a point and that point's name will be Q, which will be on AB but other than P, not P. So on this line AB, anywhere we can take point Q. Here is Q. Join OQ. Clearly we can see that Q lies outside the circle, right? Because AB is a tangent and tangent touches the circle at only one point, and that point of contact is P, and Q is on AB other than P. That means 100% Q कहाँ पर होगा? Q सर्कल के बाहर होगा, और अगर Q सर्कल के बाहर है तो that means OP is smaller than OQ होगा. Okay. Similarly, if we take any point on AB other than P को छोड़ के कोई भी जगह पर कहीं पे भी, जैसे यहाँ पे एक Q पॉइंट लिया, कहीं पर भी एक हम पॉइंट लेंगे, that point is going to be outside the circle, right? Similarly, if we take any point on AB other than P, that point will be outside the circle. That means ये OP जो है वही जो है सबसे shortest distance है between the center O and the tangent AB. For OP is the shortest distance between center O and tangent AB. And जब भी एक पॉइंट और एक लाइन के बीच में, इसके पॉइंट के और इस लाइन के बीच में हम डिस्टेंस मेज़र करें, तो लेट अस से ये डिस्टेंस, ये डिस्टेंस, ये डिस्टेंस, ये डिस्टेंस, जो सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस होगा ना, सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस वो हमेशा लाइन से परपेंडिकुलर ही होगा. सो as OP is the shortest distance between center O and tangent AB, therefore it is proved that OP is perpendicular to the AB. Hence proved. Second theorem is prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. First we will draw a circle, then हमें सर्कल के लिए दो टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ करने फ्रॉम एन एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट. यहाँ से एक टेंजेंट ये हो गया एंड यहाँ से एक दूसरा टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. दिस इज लेट्स से P, दिस इज A and this is B. Given is PA and PB are tangents. To prove, we have to prove that these two tangents, that is PA is equals to PB. The length of P to A and P to B, these two are equal. That is what we have to prove. Construction we will do. Join OA, OB and OP. So this is the center of the circle O. So in proof, there are two triangles are formed. One is triangle POA and other triangle is POB. So we'll write in triangle POA and triangle POB. We'll show that this angle and this angle are 90 degrees. Angle PAO is equals to angle PBO, each 90 degrees. PO is a part of both the triangle. PO is equals to PO. The reason we are going to state here is because PO is common in this. AO is equals to BO because both are radii of circle. Right angle, ये जो है ट्राइंगल का हाइपोटेन्यूस है और ये एक साइड है. So we can say that triangle POA is congruent to triangle POB, and the reason we will show is that it is because of RHS rule, right angle hypotenuse side rule, and therefore by CP3 we can say that कि ये जो PA है और ये PB है, ये दोनों भी इक्वल हो गए. That is PA is equals to PB, and the reason for it is by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangle, and hence proved. Okay, this also
may come in exam for 3 marks.